Okay.
拉緊啲，靚晒，好靚啦。
Awesome job.
Very good job.
Okay, so now the same thing. So we did the first one, so we have to do the second one, right? So now two.
We already did two.
Okay.
Is it two?
So just the top and the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So then when she's finished with the right side, she does the middle now.
Oh, okay.
So she does so this one. One, two, and then the middle. Yeah.
就係做翻中間啦，記唔記得啊？第一個碌起，下係起好叻嗰啲。
Lovely. Perfect. Well done. It's kind of cool, right?
呢度上，
Okay,
呢
so
度上
tip,
面
tip,
咁我
tip.
哋就要咁樣落。
Okay. Now we do the middle.
慢慢慢慢拉上去啦。
This. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So middle tip.
冇錯啦，係。
And do it again.
下面上面。係啦，上面如果邊個喺下面？
And then now I go over.
呢邊。
Lovely. Pull, nice and tight. Lovely. There we go. Nice. And then again. So one more time. So we do the 4 again. And now we go over and under. Nice. Now under. Over. Lovely. Pull, pull, pull. You guys are making really fast progress.